When load is applied, the coupling deflects angularly and the magnets create a force of simultaneous attraction and repulsion. Sealless magnetic drive pump is compliant with ANSI ASME B73.3 2003 edition, sealless pump standard for general emission-free service. Optimized modular design system incorporating 2 assemblies to match every customer requirement. Expanded temperature range. Bearing lubrication and heat recovery by optimum internal circulation flow path. Two separate shaft segments. No seal, no leak. Static seals only. Selecting options for the leakage sensor and temperature sensing sensor are available for protection of the device and the driver. The EUCR option protects the pump from dry run. Maximized efficiency with optional magnetic drive coupling design for each load. Various isolation container material options to meet your requirements. One single piece, no welding, ellipsoidal profile. Optional fail-safe floating seal is used as a secondary seal and offers a 24 hours in the event of containment shell failure. Possible specification.